Hello students, I am Mrs. Madhavi Salodkar. Today we have to take fifth lecture for Business Statistics third paper. Class is TY BCom. The name of the topic is Mixed Strategy Games, Principle of Dominance, Examples and Problems. See the first example. The following is the payoff matrix for A and B. Find the optimal strategies of firm A and firm B. Solve the following game. Now for firm A, there are four strategies: A1, A2, A3, A4. For firm B, there are four strategies: B1, B2, B3, B4. And the payoff matrix is given to us. So first of all, we will see whether the saddle point exists or not, for which we will write row minima at the right hand side of the table: 35, 65, 25, 5. The minimum value is 5. 30, 20, 15, 0. The minimum value is 0. 40, 50, 0, 10. 0 is minimum. 55, 60, 10, 15. 10 is minimum. Now amongst these minimum values, we will pick up the maximum value. We will put an arrow, write down the value as maximin. So maximum value is 10 and value of maximin is 10. Then write down column maxima at the bottom of the table: 35, 30, 40, 55. Maximum value is 55. 65, 20, 50, 60. Maximum value is 65. 25, 15, 0, 10. Maximum value is 25. 5, 0, 10, 15. Maximum value is 15. So amongst these maximums, column maximums, we will pick up the minimum value. We call that value as minimax. So 15 is minimax and 10 is maximin. So as maximin is not equal to minimax, saddle point do not exist. Therefore, it is a mixed strategy game. Hence, we will reduce the 4x4 matrix into 2x2 by using the principle of dominance. Now see row A2 and row A1. 30 is less than 35, 20 is less than 65, 15 is less than 25, 0 is less than 5. Therefore, row A2 is dominated by row A1. So we will neglect A2. Now compare row A3 and A4. So 40 is less than 55, 50 is less than 60, 0 is less than 10, 10 is less than 15. So row A3 is dominated by row A4. Therefore, neglect A3. So the resultant matrix becomes A1, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4. Now we will compare column wise. 20, column B1 and B3. So 35 is greater than 25, 55 is greater than 10. So neglect B1. So B1 dominates B3. So neglect B1. 65 is greater than 25, 60 is greater than 10. So column B2 dominates B4. 65 is greater than 5, 60 is greater than 15. So column B2 dominates column B4. Therefore, neglect B2. So the resultant matrix becomes A1, A4, B3, B4. So it is a 2x2 matrix. So we can find the value of P as A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So replace the values. The values are 15 minus 10 divided by 25 plus 15 minus 10 minus 5. So the final answer is 5 upon 25, which can be reduced as 1 by 5. So if p is 1 by 5, we have to calculate 1 minus p. 1 minus p becomes 1 minus 1 by 5, which is nothing but 4 by 5. Then we will go for value of q. Formula for q is given as a22 minus a12 divided by a11 plus a22 minus a21 minus a12. So which is nothing but 15 minus 5 divided by 25 minus 15, 25 plus 15 minus 10 minus 5. So if you add or subtract according to the sign, the value becomes 10 upon 25. So which can be written as 2 by 5. So if q is 2 by 5, 1 minus q will be 1 minus 2 by 5, which is nothing but 3 by 5. Then we will find the value of the game as a11 into a22 minus a21 into a12 divided by a11 plus a22 minus a21 minus a12, which is nothing but 25 into 15 minus 10 into 5 divided by 25 plus 15 minus 10 minus 5. So 375 minus 50 divided by 25, which is equal to 325 divided by 25. So final answer is 13. So we can write, therefore, optimal strategies for A are 1 by 5, 0, 0, 4 by 5, or 20%, 0, 0, 80%. Optimal strategy for B are 0, 0, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, or 0, 0, 40%, 60%. Value of the game is equal to 13, which is greater than 0. Therefore, B will make payment to A in this game. Solve the following game by using the principle of dominance. For player A, there are 5 strategies: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For player B, there are 6 strategies: Roman 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first step is to find row minima. 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1. The minimum value is 0. 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2. Minimum value is 1. 4, 3, 7, minus 5, 1, 2. Minimum value is minus 5. 4, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 2. Minimum value is minus 1. 4, 3, 3, minus 2, 2, 2. Minimum value is minus 2. So among these minimum, we will pick up the maximum value. We call the value as maximin. So 1 is maximin. Now we will write column maxima at the bottom of the table. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Maximum value is 4. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Maximum value is 3. 0, 1, 7, 4, 3. Maximum value is 7. 2, 3, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2. Maximum value is 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Maximum value is 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Maximum value is 2. Now amongst this maximum, we will pick up the minimum value and we call that value as minimax. So 2 is minimax and 1 is maximin. So as maximin is not equal to minimax, saddle point do not exist. Therefore, it is a mixed strategy game. Therefore, we will reduce the matrix into 2 by 2 by using the principle of dominance. Now compare the elements. 4 is equal to 4, 2 is less than 3, 0 is less than 1, 2 is less than 3, 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 2. So we can say that row 1 is dominated by row 2. as all elements of row 1 are less than or equal to the corresponding elements of row 2. Also, row 5 is dominated by row 4. Hence, neglect rows 1 and 5 to get the reduced matrix as 2, 3, 4, column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the pair of remaining elements will write as it is. Now, here all elements in column 1 and 2 are greater than or equal to the corresponding elements of column 4. Hence, column 1 and 2 are dominated by column 4. Therefore, neglect them. Also, column 6 is dominated by column 5. So, neglect it. Neglect it also to get the reduced matrix as shown below. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. The row numbers are 2, 3, 4. Column numbers are 3, 4, 5. Now we can see that now no single row or column dominates another row or column. That is, no pure strategy of A or B is inferior to any other pure strategy. However, by inspection, we can see that on combining columns 3 and 4 in proportion 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2, we can say that 1 plus 3 upon 2, 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 3 becomes 2. 1 by 2 into 7 plus 1 by 2 into minus 5, the answer is 1. 1 by 2 into 4 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1, the answer is 3 by 2. So the values becomes 2, 1, 3 by 2. The pure column is 2, 1, 2. So 2, 1, 2 is greater than or equal to 2, 1, 3 by 2. Therefore, hence, pure strategy 5 is dominated by the above combination of strategies 3 and 4. Hence, neglect 5 to get 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Here also, we see that on combining rows 2 and 3, in 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2, we get 4 and minus 1, which is same as elements of row 4. Hence, neglect row 4 to get the reduced matrix as reduced 2 by 2 matrix as row numbers are 2, 3, column numbers are 3, 4. Now this is a 2 by 2 matrix. We can solve the matrix. We can solve the problem using our regular method. Formula for P is equal to A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So replace the values from the matrix. We can get the value of P as minus 5 minus 7 divided by 1 plus minus 5 minus 7 minus 3. So the values becomes minus 12 upon minus 14, which can be written as 6 by 7. So 1 minus P is equal to 1 minus 6 by 7, which is equal to 1 by 7. Now value of Q, the formula for Q is given by A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. Replace the values from 2 by 2 matrix. Value of Q becomes minus 5 minus 3 divided by 1 plus minus 5 minus 7 minus 3, which can be written as minus 8 upon minus 14. So we can reduce it as 4 upon 7. And value of 1 minus Q can be written as 1 minus 4 by 7, which is nothing but 3 by 7. Value of the game V is given by A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So replace the values, which can be given as 1 into minus 5 minus 7 into 3 divided by 1 plus minus 5 minus 7 minus 3. So which is equal to minus 5 minus 21 divided by minus 14. So the final answer becomes 26 upon 14, which can be written as 13 upon 7. Therefore, optimal strategy for A is 0, 6 by 7, 1 by 7, 0, 0. Optimal strategy for B is given by 0, 0, 4 by 7, 3 by 7. And value of the game is equal to 13 by 7, which is greater than 0. Hence, B will make payment to A in this game. Next example. Solve the following game. The game is 2 by 2. First of all, we will see whether the saddle point exists or not. First row minimum value is 3. Second row minimum value is 4. Then write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. 7 and 5 are the maximums amongst their columns. Now from maximum, we will pick up the minimum. We call the value as minimax. From minimum, we have taken maximum value as 4. So we call the value as maximin. So 4 is maximin and 5 is minimax. So as maximin is not equal to minimax, saddle point do not exist. Therefore, it is a mixed strategy game. Find the value of P as A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12, which can be written as 5 minus 4 divided by 7 plus 5 minus 4 minus 3. So after subtraction and division, we are getting the answers as 1 by 5. So if P is 1 by 5, 1 minus P becomes 1 minus 1 by 5, which is nothing but 4 by 5. Then get the value of Q as A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So replace the values from 2 by 2 matrix. The final answer becomes 5 minus 3 divided by 7 plus 5 minus 4 minus 3, which can be written as 2 by 5. So if value of Q is 2 by 5, 1 minus Q can be written as 1 minus 2 by 5, which is nothing but 3 by 5. So player A mix his strategies in the proportion 1 by 5 is to 4 by 5, or 20% and 80%. Player B mix his strategies in the proportion 2 by 5 is to 3 by 5, that is 40% and 60%. Value of the game V is given by A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So we will replace the values from the given table and find the answer as 7 into 5 minus 4 into 3 divided by 7 plus 5 minus 4 minus 3. So our final answer becomes 35 minus 12 upon 5, which is nothing but 23 upon 5, which is greater than 0. Therefore, player B makes payment to A in this game. Next example. Solve the following game. For player A, there are 3 strategies, A1, A2, A3. For player B, there are 4 strategies, B1, B2, B3, B4. Row minima value. The first row minimum value is 8. Second row minimum value is 8. Third row minimum value is 12. Among the minimums, we'll find the maximum value and we call the value as maximin. So 12 is maximin. Same way, write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. 13, 12, 14, 14 are the respective maximum values from the respective 4 columns. From maximum, we'll pick up the minimum value. So we call the value as minimax. So 12 is minimax and 12 is maximin. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Optimal strategy for A is A3, that is 0, 0, 1, and optimal strategy for B is B2, that is 0, 1, 0, 0. Value of the game is 12, which is greater than 0. Therefore, player B makes payment to A in this game.